好啦，咁 part C 啦，咁佢 part C 咧，佢就會再轉少少通啦，換少少角度去問埋條題目落去啦。因為我哋咧 part A、part B 咧都冇問到 express counter，咁其實都預計到 part C 會問 express counter 噶啦。咁佢咧就話 It is found that waiting time for a customer to pay at the express counter 咧係 follow 一個 normal distribution，咁 mean 係呢個 μ 嚇，咁跟住咧個 SD 咧就0.8。咁 known that 咧 exactly 咧就會有 21% of customer 咧喺 regular counter 嗰度咧就 weigh less than K 嘅， while 3.59% 咧就喺個 express counter 係 weigh more than K minute 嘅。咁佢首先 part C1 咧就問翻我哋個 K 同 μ 係幾多啦。咁其實做呢啲題目咧，最緊要係小心咁一步一步咁樣去寫出嚟。咁我覺得就唔會話好複雜嘅。咁但係好多學生咧，我自己見咧就去到呢位咧就會好驚啊、好怯啊咁，反而打亂咗自己陣腳。嗱，去到呢個位，首先我哋組織翻題目嗰啲數據先，就唔好急。嗱，佢話個 express 嘅話咧佢呢度講嘅個 mean 咧就係 μ 啦，個 SD 咧就係0.8。跟住 regular 嘅話咧個 mean 係幾多啊？佢冇俾，但係題目一開頭咪俾咗咯，6.6，個 SD 咧就會係1.2。OK， 好啦，跟住佢又話個 express 嘅話咧 probability 咧等多個 K minutes 嘅話咧就係呢個0.0359啦。佢呢度講嘅得唔得？好啦，咁跟住 probability 咧 for regular 咧等少個 K minute 咧，佢就話係0.2119啦，得唔得？係啦，咁首先好啦，跟住佢叫我哋揾翻 K 同埋 μ。咁其實如果寫翻出嚟咧就唔複雜嘅，係啊，你知佢個 mean， 你知佢 SD， 跟住知佢 probability， 咁要揾個 K 有幾難啫，係咪先？咁我寫翻出嚟啦，咁 base on 呢度啦咁跟住我哋又係 normalize 佢啦，咁所以咧 K 減翻6.6，除翻1.2咧就會等於2.119啦。咁我哋查翻表其實會知道，所以 K 減6.6啦，除翻1.2啦，會等於負0.8啦，跟住 K 咧就等於5.04啦。OK， 好啦，咁我哋知道 K 等於5.04咧，我哋做埋落去啦喺呢度。咁我哋又係normalize 佢啦，咁所以 Z 咧會大過5.04減翻個 μ 除翻0.8，咁呢個 probability 咧就係0.0359啦，得唔得？好啦，咁如果呢個係0.0359咧，咁我哋又係查表啦。咁查表咧，查翻出嚟咧，原來呢個等於1.8度嘅，1.8，跟住5.04咧減翻 μ 除翻0.8，跟住調翻啲數咧，所以 μ 咧就等於4.2啦。咁我哋就揾到晒兩個數啦。我覺得唔複雜嘅，只要你係唔驚唔好怯，跟住一步步做落去。C2， 咁 C2 咧佢就話好啦，我而家咧求其 random 咁樣去揀兩個 customer 出嚟啦。Assume that their waiting time 咧係 independent 嘅，跟住咧 given 啦given both of them 咧 weigh more than μ minute to pay 嘅，咁翻去 probability 咧 exactly one of them 咧係 pay at the regular counter， 咁即係好明顯一個 regular 嘅話咧，另外一個就係 express 㗎啦。咁所以咧佢係問我哋呢樣嘢啦 ，part two probability for 一個係去 regular， 一個係去 express， given 兩個即係 both 咧都係多過4.2分鐘，得唔得？咁但係我唔知大家會唔會覺得咧咁樣係有啲怪嘅即係 given 你4.2。你再睇翻佢嗰個 probability for regular 同埋 express， 好似怪少少啲。點解咧？因為我哋多數我哋係計咩咧？我哋計佢 given 佢係 regular， 我哋計佢 probability 大過4.2分鐘。我哋 given 佢係 express， 我哋計佢 probability 係大過4.2分鐘，係調翻轉噶嘛。咁如果有呢個 sense 咧，咁就點啦？咁唔知大家記唔記得你有呢個公式啊？probability A given B 咧會等於 B given A， 跟住 probability A 咧跟住 over 翻 probability B 嘅，係有呢件事發生嘅，得唔得？如果我哋咧將呢條式咧好似咁樣一轉咧，轉翻轉頭，轉翻 probability， 兩個都係大過4.2分鐘 ，given 一個 regular 一個 express， 咁樣可以出翻一個咁樣我哋平時見開嘅數咧，好似啱啲喎嚇。咁成日呢條重點咧就係向呢個方向進發啦。咁我哋用翻呢條公式啦。首先將佢調翻轉先，咁所以咧就係 probability both 大過4.2 given 一個 regular 一個 express 咁睇翻之後係有個 PA 嘅，咁所以咧要乘翻 probability 一個 regular 一個 express， 跟住咧除翻 probability of B， 咁即係 probability 咧 both 都係大過4.2啦，得唔得？係啊，呢條式咧最關鍵啦。咁做咗呢條式之後咧，相對上剩翻嗰啲，我覺得係相對上清晰好多嘅。嗱，我哋睇翻佢如果 probability 咧大過4.2 given 一個 regular 一個 express 咁即係一個 regular 嗰個大過4.2，而嗰個 express 又係大過4.2啦。咁又講緊呢樣嘢嘅。OK， 好啦，咁所以咧其實咧就係probability 咧係 waiting time 咧大過4.2咧 given 佢係 regular。乘翻waiting time 大過4.2 given 佢 express， 跟住乘翻 probability 咧入邊咧總共有一個 regular 一個 express， 咁而分母嗰度咧係兩個都係大過4.2嘅。其實兩個都係大過4.2，因為其實兩個係 independent 噶嘛，咁所以咪 probability waiting time 大過4.2就咁成個嘢嘅 square 就 OK 咯。咁我哋再砌翻啲數啦。好 probability 佢而家咧係話個 waiting time 大過4.2 given 佢係 regular 啦。如果 given 佢係 regular 嘅話咧其實我哋咧就知道，因為佢而家咧我哋啱啱咧我哋知道佢 regular 咧佢mean 咧就係6.6，咁個 SD 咧就係1.2，咁所以咧如果佢要大過呢個即係呢個 waiting time 大過4.2咧，其實我哋又係 normalize 佢啦咁可能有啲人覺得呢個位就有啲複雜嘅，我都同意係複雜嘅，即係喺一條咁嘅數式裏邊，我哋可能要嘗試喺呢個位又做翻少少 normalization 咁減翻6.6，除翻1.2，其實個 probability 就係咁啦，得唔得？咁好啦，跟住呢個數，咧其實係T 係即係 waiting time 係大過4.2咧 ，given 係 express 喎，但係因為 express 我哋咪講咗，其實嗰個 mean 咪就係4.2咯，係嘛？咁所以大過個 mean 嘅一定係0.5啦呢個就唔使去計啦。跟住之後 probability， 我哋一個 regular 一個 express， 咁呢個咧我哋睇翻題目最開頭有講過㗎其實咧題目最開頭咧呢度有講過㗎，8/8咧嘅 customer 係 pay at regular 㗎，得唔得？咁所以8/8嘅人咧 pay at regular， 咁所以一個 regular 一個 express 咧，咁咧就係0.88啦，呢個係 for regular 嗰個 probability 啦。跟住之後咧係0.12啦，呢個 express 嘅probability 啦。但係記住喎，佢哋因為有兩個人啦，我當係 A 同 B 啦我當係 A 同 B。咁如果呢個 express 呢個就 regular 啦，呢個 regular 呢個係 express 咁所以有兩個 scenario 嘅，咁所以要乘翻2啦，得唔得？我哋除翻啦，跟住除翻之後咧就係佢個 waiting time 咧係大概4.2嘅咁呢個其實都唔複雜嘅 waiting time 大過4.2咁呢個點樣計咧呢個 waiting time 大過4.2咧，其實有啲似上邊嗰隻計法，但係唔完全係咁咧，就會變成 probability waiting time 大過4.2given 佢係 regular 乘翻 probability 佢係 regular 加翻 probability T 大過4.2 given 佢係 express乘翻 probability 佢係 express 咯，得唔得？好啦，咁跟住呢個數，呢個數其實查翻表咧就應該可以揾到噶啦，其實唔難嘅。呢個查翻表係0.977左右啦呢個數跟住呢個0.5，咁呢啲數有啦所以呢個留咗 square。好啦，咁跟住呢個佢大過4.2 given 係 regular，咁其實都係呢個數上面呢個數嚟嘅啫咁乘翻去 probability 係 regular，probability regular 啱啱講過啦0.88咁跟住呢個數佢 waiting time 咧係大過4.2嘅 given 佢 express 啱啱講過，呢就係上邊呢個，咁即係0.5嚟嘅咁呢個 跟住將佢乘翻 probability of express 啱啱就係呢個，就0.12嚇。跟住咧成個數 square 去嚇，咁呢個就係分母嗰紮數點嚟啦，咁分子嗰紮數點嚟嚇。咁我覺得呢個位係複雜㗎，係啊。咁但係小心啲啦嚇。咁呢啲，因為我覺得成份卷總會有啲位係比較複雜、比較拗撬，呢個位絕對係拗撬嘅嚇。咁我哋結果係撳翻計數機出嚟啦，咁個答案就係0.1219啦。